most times when people buy stock, they're buying on a secondary market, right? So when the company is selling stock for the first time, what's that called? That's an initial public offering, right? And when it does that, money comes into the company's treasury, so to speak. But unless and until it issues more stock, stock that trades between you and me or me and you on a stock market, that's a secondary market by definition, and it's not as if the company every time if I sell 100 shares of XCO, the company's not getting anything when I do that. I'm getting the proceeds, and the next person's buying the stock, right? So that's sort of one thing I wanted to kind of just throw out there.